tyre's a bit fat. I think I need a pump.
I've got one.
See? I knew they'd be back.
Just see what they want.
Hey guys, I'm Officer Peter Walker. Mate, I just noticed a second ago you weren't wearing your helmet.
Sorry, I forgot.
I might just get some details off you, okay? What's your name and date of birth?
Timmy Ryan, 11th October 2008.
And what's your address, Timmy?
31 4th Avenue, Salisbury.
And mate, what are your details?
What have I got to tell you my name for? I put my helmet on when I saw yous.
When we drove up before, I noticed you also weren't wearing your helmet. So as I believe you may have committed an offence, you're required to provide your details to me.
Well, I'm not telling you my name. I didn't do anything.
Okay, you are required by law to provide your name, your date of birth and your address to me. If you don't do that, you may be committing an offence. Do you understand that?
Police have the lawful authority to ask for your details if it's suspected that you may have committed an offence. These details include your full name, your date of birth and the address of where you're living. Please remember that refusing to provide your details or providing false information is an offence which could result in further action being taken against you. You can also be asked for your personal details if police suspect that you may be able to assist in any investigation of an offence. If you've been asked by a police officer to provide your personal particulars, you're entitled to request that that police officer produce his or her identification or state verbally or in writing their surname, rank and identification number.
No, I'm not telling you.
Well, then you're going to be placed under arrest for failing to state your details. Now, as an arrested person, you're entitled to certain rights. You're entitled to make, in the presence of a member of the police force, one phone call to a nominated relative or friend to inform them of your whereabouts. Do you understand that?
Yeah, I want my mum there.
And you're entitled to have a solicitor, relative or friend present during any interrogation or investigation while in custody. Do you understand?
Yeah, I want someone from ALRM.
And if English is not your native language, you're entitled to an interpreter to assist you. Do you understand?
No, I don't need an interpreter.
And you shall, while you remain in custody, be entitled to refrain from answering any questions unless you're required to answer the question under this or any other act or law. Do you understand?
Yes.
When you are charged at the City Watch House, you're entitled to apply to the officer in charge for release on bail. Do you understand?
Yeah.
And I warn you that anything you say may be taken down and used in evidence. Do you understand that?
Yes.
Now, pursuant to Section 14 of the Young Offenders Act, you have the right to seek legal representation. Do you wish to have legal representation?
Yes, I want Aboriginal legal rights here.
And also pursuant to Section 14 of the Young Offenders Act, you have the right to nominate an adult who has had a close association with you or advising or aiding you to be present during any interrogation or investigation while you're in custody. Do you wish to nominate someone?
Yeah, I want to speak to ALRM.
Whenever an Aboriginal person is arrested, SAPOL must notify Aboriginal Legal Rights Movement. We have a field officer available 24/7, including public holidays. Our role is to attend police interviews, forensic procedures and bail reviews for Aboriginal people who have been arrested by police. We are often the first point of contact for both police and family members. We liaise between clients, their families and the police. So remember, contact us if you or a family member need legal support.